We're following some breaking news this Christmas Eve. Another twist in the ongoing controversy surrounding the firing of CPS Schools CEO Pedro Martinez.
He remains on the job right now, and today Martinez won a crucial legal victory in court. WGN's Sean Lewis is live at the Chicago Teachers Union headquarters with the latest. Hi, Sean.
Good afternoon to both of you. Students and teachers might be on winter break right now, but there seems to be no break when it comes to those twists and turns of the Chicago Teachers Union contract. Embattled CPS CEO Pedro Martinez in a Cook County court today, asking a judge to allow him to do his job by negotiating the teacher's contract. In court, Martinez's attorney said that 3 of the current board members handpicked by Mayor Brandon Johnson in the fall, including board chair Sean Hardin, showed up to negotiations yesterday. They said they went into the CTU room and told the teachers union team, quote, "You hold all the cards here." The CTU refutes that. But Martinez says it was an intimidation tactic to his negotiating team and that the current board members are interfering with negotiations, which is a violation of his contract and duties. The judge agreed and told the board to step aside and allow Martinez and his team to do their job.
We all have to act in good faith, and to try to rush something that's not going to be in the best interest of our children, to be literally, strategizing outside of us, the union, mayor's office, and our board members. That is not right. And by the way, that is unprecedented.
I think the court was very clear and very thoughtful when it said they can show up and they can participate if Mr. Martinez invites them.
And within the last hour, the Chicago Teachers Union holding a press conference responding to the judge's decision and saying that negotiations thus far have gone much smoother than the past 15 years.
Things are moving effectively. I'm disappointed that Pedro believed that he had to go to a courthouse to be able to interact powerfully. But since now the courts have decided that Pedro is in charge, we'll be here on Thursday at 10 a.m. with his bargaining team. We'll be here Friday at 10 a.m. with his bargaining team, hoping to tie this up into a nice bow and keep it moving.
Of course, this all comes under the specter of what happened on Friday when the school board voted to terminate Pedro Martinez effective in June. There will be other lawsuits certainly regarding that, but for now, the judge's decision is that Pedro Martinez and his team will be in charge of this contract negotiation going forward without any interference from the school board. At CTU headquarters tonight, Sean Lewis, WGN News.
All right, thanks so much, Sean, for that update.